Everybody knows this story that Dronacharya was taking an exam and also he had kept a bird on a tree. And at that time, his students, he asked all his young students, not very young, just those who were 14 or 15 years old, he asked them, "What do you see on the tree? Tell me." So he asks everybody. The first one he asks is Duryodhan. He says, "Yes, I can see the bird. I can see the leaves all around." When he asked Yudhishthir, he too says that he can see the sky, the bird, and everything else. He asks Arjun, "What are you seeing?" So Arjun says, "I can see only and only the throat of the bird and nothing else." Some stories it is the eye, but in the Vyas Mahabharat it is the throat. And he says, "I am not able to see anything else." He developed a one-pointed focus, and then Dronacharya says, "Shoot," and immediately he shoots at the throat and kills the bird on the tree. That focus Arjun has, which all the other warriors that were there, they had not developed that. Now, how did Arjun do this? Practice, practice, and practice. There is another beautiful story. Can I
Yes,
take your
sure.
time to tell that? Everyone else used to do their own practice and all, but Arjun was beyond everybody. Dronacharya too was very surprised that he wanted to focus all the time practicing everything. So he had also instructed his cooks who prepared food for the children to never feed Arjun in the dark at any cost. Understand?
Hmm.
And don't tell him that I told you this. Well, but it was destined to happen. So one day the children were eating at night and the lamps were burning, and a very strong wind blew and put out all the lamps. Okay, so what will we do next? It's dark now. Still, we are eating, talking. Arjun was eating. And suddenly he got a thought that it is dark. I cannot see my hand. Neither can I see the morsel, but still that hand is going into my mouth. Okay, we think we can eat as we can see it, but even without that, the hand goes to the mouth, and this is because of practice. I have that muscle memory in my hand, isn't it? It only goes up to my mouth. This means that if I keep practicing for each and every time, I will be able to do anything. My body will be capable of doing that just by practice. After that day, the boy never slept at night. He practiced it at night, and once Dronacharya heard it, and he came to know Arjun would practice and tries to hit the arrow on the target even in the dark. He was Shabdavedi just by hearing the sound, and he achieves that. Generally, we wait for the teacher to teach us something. No, but he always knew what he wanted and he practiced to get it done.
Hmm.
This was the quality of Arjun, that if you want to learn, then you have to work hard for it. And in this way, his name Gudakesh also comes. With the name Gudakesh, your hair should be in dreadlocks. But Gudakesh also means when a man achieves control over his sleep.
Hmm.
Now you see what happens when we are tired or do not get proper sleep. We are not able to work properly even the next day. Arjun had achieved control over sleep, which meant that he could sleep whenever he wanted and he would sleep peacefully when he will sleep. And he would go on without sleeping for many hours or days whenever he wanted. That is the level of mental control and discipline that he had achieved,
Hmm.
which is definitely superhero level. And with practice, such things are easily possible. But Arjun had the needed discipline, and that is why he was different from everyone else.
Hmm.
You know, I gain something or the other from every podcast.
Honestly, lately, because I am a little overworked, my motivation is a little low. I am about to go on vacation to recharge. Motivation was lost, and now all the lost motivation has come back because of Arjun, as he is the first inspiration of my life, because of B.R. Chopra's Mahabharat. Seeing his mentality, I realized that you can do whatever you want in life, like Ronaldo, like Virat Kohli, like Arjun. But then I think that I did not have that maturity in my mind that I could understand the actual meaning of Bhagavad Gita. Now, as an adult, when I think about this story, I feel that Arjun was an ultimate human mind if he was really like what we are told in history. He was an ultimate human mind who felt he was the ultimate warrior. But at Kurukshetra, Krishna Bhagwan showed them how small they really were. And in front of them, how great is the greatness of God, how great is the greatness of the scriptures, etc. So, human capabilities also have limits. And if you want to surpass those capabilities, first you need focus like Arjun, and after that, you need spiritual interest in life.